in motion. It's physics harmony. Bodies in the rest spots, or they move unceasingly until a force, it takes them to new velocity. We prove to Newton's laws, 1, 2, and 3, you know. Inertia, mass, and action make the world go, whoa. Inertia, mass, and action make the world go, whoa. First law keeps it steady, at rest or moving free. Second talks of forces, mass and acceleration glee. Push or cut, feel the motion. Third law makes the commotion. Equal force in opposite direction. Motion, magic, pure perfection. We prove to Newton's laws, 1, 2, and 3, you know. Inertia, mass, and action make the world go, whoa. Inertia, mass, and action make the world go, whoa.